Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through the process of setting up a simple Go web server, containerizing it using Docker, and running it locally. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at our project structure. We have three key files: Dockerfile, go.mod, and main.go. These files are all within the same directory, ensuring a straightforward build process. Our main.go contains the source code for our web server. It's a basic Go program that starts an HTTP server on port 8080. When we access the server, it responds with a message saying, "Hello, you've requested," and so on. In the main function, we define a handler for HTTP requests and instruct the server to listen on port 8080. This setup uses the standard net.http package, a powerful yet straightforward way to build web servers in Go. Moving on to our Dockerfile, which is critical for containerization, we're using Golang.1.20 Alpine as our base image, which is a lightweight version of the Go environment. The Docker file defines a series of commands to build our Go application inside a Docker container. We start by setting the working directory, then we copy the go.mod file and verify the dependencies. After that, we copy all the files from our current directory into the container and build the application. We expose port 8080, which is the port our web server listens on. Finally, the cmd command runs our compiled Go application. To build our Docker image, we use the command docker build-t our image name. This command creates a Docker image from our Docker file, tagging it as Go server image. Once the image is built, we run it using Docker run. The D flag runs the container in detached mode. RM ensures the container is removed after it stops. Name flag assigns a name to our container, and P flag maps the container's port 8080 to our local port 8080. Finally, to test our server, we use curl localhost, say 080. This sends a request to our server, and we should see the response, "Hello, you've requested." And that's it. We've successfully set up a Go web server in a Docker container and tested it locally. This setup is great for development and testing purposes. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications about our future videos. Happy coding!